I hear this one all the time. I want to leave the US, but what if they close the borders and I can't get back in? Think about that for a second. If you're afraid your own government would trap you inside or lock you out, doesn't that say something about the country itself? And by the way, this isn't something that I've heard from one person. I've heard this from probably 10 or 15 different people that have emailed us or gotten on strategy calls with us at entrepreneurexpat.com/consult. By the way, if you're interested, we do free strategy calls if you qualify. But that's one thing that actually is quite common. Either the person we're talking to or perhaps their spouse has that concern. Like, what if they're going to close the borders? But that should really give you a bigger question. And that question is not what if they close the borders? It's why am I living somewhere that even feels like that's possible? Today, let's unpack that fear and what it really reveals about how much control we've been conditioned to give away. Hi, this is Justin Keltner from Entrepreneur Expat, where we help freedom-minded entrepreneurs and professionals design global lives that don't depend on one country's policy, economy, or their permission slips. If that's something you're interested in, make sure to hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to this channel because we're coming out with new content almost every single day. And check out the free resources below this video if you're looking to either relocate or perhaps learn more about moving to another country or even starting a location-independent business that you can run from absolutely anywhere. Check out all the details in the description below this video. And if you're a high net worth individual who needs specific services to relocate to another country, be that Mexico or elsewhere in the world, just go to entrepreneurexpat.com/consult and my team or myself can get you started and help you figure out exactly the next step along your relocation journey, whether that be the visa, immigration policies, businesses, taxes, or much more. We have experts that we work with in multiple countries that can solve all of your problems and questions. Now, so many people are talking about the same thing. They feel trapped by the fear of not being able to come back to the US if they leave. But that mindset really is exactly what keeps people stuck. So let's talk about the root of this fear. The fear really isn't about borders. It's about control. We've been programmed to believe that safety equals proximity to familiar government institutions, healthcare, and other familiar systems. But now those same systems talk about digital IDs, central bank digital currencies, travel restrictions, quote, for safety, and biometric tracking. Governments worldwide are normalizing the idea of movement control, and the US is absolutely no exception. So if you believe you're free, like they always tout freedom and everything else in the US, but you're too afraid to cross a border, are you really free? What's the reality of these closing borders here? Let's talk about the actual reality and the history behind it. So countries don't just randomly lock citizens out forever. Even during the 2020 lockdowns, US citizens could always return home. Now, if you were perhaps an Australian citizen, and I won't get into my thoughts necessarily about their policies, you can perhaps guess where we stand on that, but they did have some restrictions where they said, you know what, if you're not coming back from abroad, you're not going to be able to get in for a certain period of time, which is a little bit crazy. But some people actually were trapped outside of Australia, and I would argue that maybe that was for the best because they got to experience what other countries were like even in the midst of these lockdowns, and perhaps they were even significantly less authoritarian than different places in Australia were. But if you're talking about the US specifically, US citizens, even in those lockdowns, could always return home. What did happen, though, was the illusion of freedom got exposed. The US, and of course other countries, restricted travel, required tests, and implemented digital tracking, while other countries like Mexico, where we currently reside, stayed open. That period showed which governments see citizens as adults capable of choice, and which ones see them as property to manage. So if you're worried about what if they close the borders, maybe that's just the universe telling you to start diversifying now and not later. Let's talk a little bit about what true freedom looks like. True freedom isn't about being able to fly in and out. That's certainly part of it, but that's not all of it. It's about having options. Having residency or another citizenship in a different country, for example. A second passport or a visa that keeps doors open. Maybe a business or an income stream, and maybe you have this already, maybe you need our help with this income stream. We can definitely help you. You can just go to entrepreneurexpat.com/consult right below, and we could guide you into taking your existing business and making that location independent, even if perhaps you've got a physical brick and mortar store or a location or a physical presence in a given city. We can help you sort out how to either get out of that business, perhaps sell it. We've got business brokers that we also work with all throughout the country from a network I've built through several previous consulting businesses, but we can also perhaps help you streamline that business, take yourself out of the management of that business, and even be able to run it from abroad. So entrepreneurexpat.com/consult. So you want a business or income stream that doesn't depend on one nation's economy. Now, once you have all those things, the location independent business, the visas, and perhaps even passports for different countries to come and go as you please, then border policies stop being scary because you've built your own safety net. I've had decades, literally decades of experience in the IT world. And in the IT world, we say 2 is 1 and 1 is none, right? We don't just rent or build one server. In fact, right now, as I'm recording this, we're just finalizing the process of expanding to our 3rd data center because we run not only infrastructure for ourselves and for our own brands. We run several brands here, my wife and I, and some of our partners, but also for our clients and their brands, because as part of the consulting we do with businesses, we help them build private clouds and we help them build resilient, self-healing nodes and networks of their different parts of their infrastructure, so that in the same way you wouldn't be reliant on a single country or a single client, you don't have to be reliant on a single piece of technology as well. So I'm very familiar with that principle, and we apply that in everything we do. So ultimately, you want to build your own safety net. And by the way, if you are interested in some of the more techie stuff, if you're a nerd like me, definitely check out our other channel called Liberate Your Cloud here on YouTube as well. We just got that going recently, so you may be interested in that because we talk about similar concepts to Entrepreneur Expat, but from the lens of technology. So now the mindset shift. Ask yourself, do you really want to live in a country that would trap you if you try to leave, or perhaps one that would punish you for wanting more freedom and more opportunity? If your fear is based on government control, then staying only reinforces that control. The most free people in the world did not wait for permission to leave. They made a plan and built options before those options were needed. If you're serious about creating that kind of freedom, a life where you're not dependent on any single government or border, we can help. Subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell. Hit that like button. It helps us out a lot, and it'll make sure that you get content like this in your feed, not a bunch of random cat videos, even though we love our cat videos and we love our cat. And also, if you are a high net worth individual looking to get specific advice about your unique situation, your business situation, perhaps where you can go to have better choices around taxes and business and personal freedoms, then apply for a free relocation strategy call at entrepreneurexpat.com/consult. We'll map out your residency, your visa plan, and your global income plan step by step. Also, if you're not there yet, make sure you check out the free resources below this video, including our moving abroad checklist. In that checklist, you're going to learn step by step all of the things you want to make sure that you don't miss when planning your new life abroad. And if you're watching this around or maybe a little after Black Friday or Cyber Monday, we may still have some really cool promotions going on if you're looking to go that do-it-yourself route and perhaps learn more about building your own location-independent business or figuring out how to get started with your visas and country selection and everything else. All the details will be right below this video, because you know what? Freedom really isn't about waiting for permission. It's about building the life you actually want. So if you want to build the life you actually want, take action. Buy our stuff if you'd like, sign up for a call, download our free resources, but do something. because just sitting here and watching this video is not actually taking action. We appreciate it. We love that you're viewing these videos. But if you're not subscribed and you're not going in there and taking the next step and downloading these resources and checking out our programs, or someone else's, right? We don't have all the answers. Maybe there's a better fit somewhere else. I don't know. But the point is, you've got to take action, because you can't wait for permission. You can't wait for the government to save you. You cannot wait for somebody else to create the life for you that you want. You must take action on your own and create that life. I'm Justin Keltner from Entrepreneur Expat, signing off, and we will see you again next time.